What's up, everybody? Johnny here. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing, and I got this a little late because I don't really have a reason, because I just started and saw this on Amazon. I was like, I should do a video on that. Innistrad Crimson Vow pre-release box. I like it, so we're gonna unbox it. And then on Amazon, I also got 25 magic cards, so we're gonna open those as well. All right, let's get into it. All right. All right. So we see it's just kind of like slides out, right? Very, very nice. And then looking at the box, it's really nice. I like it. I haven't opened any other pre-release boxes, so first one. So I don't really know what to go off of. But it has some stuff in here. All right, first off, what I see is this. So let's cut this open. All right. I can't read that backwards. First, we have a Splendid Reclamation. I don't know how to pronounce things. All right, next. Card named Day, a token, I assume. And then 3 cards that can be used to represent double face cards. Alright. A nice D20. It feels really nice, actually. Like, I did before y'all can see it. I like it. Put that there. We have the 6 Crimson Vow packs. A separator of a bat. Put that in the die as well. Magic the Gathering Arena. I probably shouldn't be showing that. Has a code. This was just where the dice was sitting on top of. Last thing that's in here, before we get to this, is a little poster thing and a little thing on how to build a pre-release deck. It says the binding vows of Olivia Volderin and Ed. I'm not gonna pronounce names. You know what? I'm not even gonna try. But it looks pretty cool. Y'all can see the names there. And I'm sure you can just go look up how to build pre-release deck. Alright. Let's get to the cards. Alright, first, this one, 15 cards. Like, just want to make sure. Alright. We have a Scattered Thoughts. Okay. I'm reading them as I go through them, so. We have 1. I'm gonna put them in here as I go through them, because it's a nice little box. Fierce Retribution. It's an instant. I'm not gonna read them as I do them anymore. Reckless Impulse. A Fear of Death. Witch's Web, which is not a bad card. I like it anyway. For my standard deck I have it in. I've seen that word before, never known how to pronounce it. Courier, I don't know. It's a bat. Sporeback Wolf. As long as it's your turn, Sporeback Wolf gets +0, +2. Y'all can't read that fast. I'm gonna let y'all see beautiful vampire on the back right here. A Syncopate. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the first ever time I'm doing a unboxing, so any tips, let me know. A double-sided card. First side is a Weary Prisoner. Which is a 2/6. And then we have a Wrathful Jailbreaker. Wrathful? It's a 6/6 creature. Okay. An Undead Butler. A Wash Away. Our first 2-color creature, because all the other ones we've seen so far are monocolored. A Vile Spawn Spider. It's a 2/3 spider creature. This is not working out. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it like that. Another 2-sided card. First side is Mirror Hall Mimic, which is a 0/0 creature. The second side is a Ghastly Mimicry. That's what I'm gonna go with. Which is an enchantment. Very nice looking swamp. I like this. We're gonna put that right here, just lands. Yeah, we'll just put this in here. We have a Fear of Death enchantment. I don't know what you call it, but it's like kind of shiny, if you can see it. It's not I used to know what it was called when I played Pokemon. I don't anymore. It was like 5 years ago. I will look it up though. Do my research. Need to. It's a foil, I think it's called. A spirit token with flying, a 1/1 spirit token with flying, and on the back it has different draft archetypes. Just gonna put that here. And if anyone watching this video is from Tipboard Park, I am setting up a booth down at the market by the school. So, on the weekends, selling these. So if you see anything you like, come down there. Up there? Down? Wherever. Whatever. Okay. Starting things off with an abrade. An instant. An enchantment aura, Cradle of Safety. An Unholy Officiant, who has 1/2 creature with vigilance. It's pretty good. I like it anyway. For I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna let y'all judge if it's good or not. A Lacerate Flesh, a sorcery. Lacerate? We're gonna go with Lacerate. Sounds more better. I can English, don't worry. A sorcery Vampire's Kiss. Instant Wolf Strike. Alright, now we have a 2/2 zombie creature. Mind Leech Ghoul. Go away, Woody. I love you. Go away. I'm trying to do something. An construct artifact creature, 2/2. A Blood Servitor. Y'all can see that. And Siphon Essence instant. A double-sided card, Lantern Bearer, creature spirit. And then on the other side, it's Lantern Lift, which is an enchantment. A 3/5 zombie creature, Diver Scab. We're gonna go with Scab. It has 2 A's. Oh. Okay. Cool. A 3/3 devil creature with haste. I like me some haste. Frenzied Devils. Alright, now we have another double-sided card. First side, Foreboding Statue. Yep, Foreboding Statue. On the other side, Forsaken Thresher. Creepy Puppeteer. I do like this for having one of my standard decks. A really cool look. I like the look of these lands so far. An island. a token creature, a human token. Wait, we're gonna put that here. And those. Time for pack number 3. Lady, shush. What the frick was that? What did you do? What? Sorry, I have like 4 dogs. Not me, but my family altogether. Just got a message. Alright. Let's do this. Pack number 3. Maybe we should try to open it like this. Maybe that's a better way. Nah, I don't feel like it. It feels too hard. I'm just gonna kind of cut it right there. Okay. Another. Let's take this out. And token artifact treasure. Starting from the back this time. Because I don't know. Because I feel like it. Oh, we shouldn't start from the back. Or should we? We're gonna go like we've been going. Another Fierce Retribution. A Sorcery Ancestral Rage. A Serpentine Ambush. A Griff Rider. Gonna go with Griff. Mind Leech Ghoul. I'm gonna swipe up because I had a message. Another one. Alright. A sorcery called Mulch. Daybreak Combatants. Oh my god, why are so many people texting me? I'm using my phone videotape right now because we have a sorcery. Sanctify. I'm gonna stop saying what I think is good and stuff because, you know, what I like may not be what you like. We have a Kindly Ancestor. And on the other side, we have an Ancestor's Embrace. Another Frenzied Devils. We have a Skull Scob. Still unsure how to pronounce that. An Alluring Suitor. And then on the other side, a Deadly Dancer. A Hamlet Vanguard. Another Swamp, which I like. And then as our shiny, we have a double-sided. Shiny? I don't know. Foil? Correct me in the comments. Tell me where I'm wrong. a Distracting Geist, and on the other side we have an enchantment, Clever Distraction. Alright, so it's the first 3 packs. I like it. I like it a lot. So far, I'm digging this. We can dig it. I don't know. I felt like singing. I'm weird. I know. We want to move on to pack 4. Yeah. Yeah, let's move on to pack 4. We'll do these at the end. Alrighty-o. Alright, first off, I'm gonna put this over here. Second off, it's a Magic the Gathering Arena thing. Is this... no, okay. First off, Heron of Hope. Second, we have a Hungry Ridgewolf. Next, we have a Skywarp Scob. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's how I'm supposed to pronounce it. Wolf Strike. I figured it's a good idea to show y'all the cards. What's up, everyone? I'm back. My phone died. Sorry. So now we are inside. Alright, back to where we were. Next, we have a Wolf Strike. It's dark outside now. Some stuff happened, man. Toxic Scorpion. A creature. I like it. Death Touch. Another Vampire's Kiss. And then second Wolf Strike for this pack. Wedding Invitation. A Blood Crazed Socialite. And then, let's put this way, a double-sided card, Drogskull Infantry. So I'm going to go with. And then on the other side, Drogskull Armaments. An Arch Ghoul of, you know what, just read the card. Just read the card. Put it up for a little longer. Cool. Sorry, I was reading it. Seems pretty cool. A Diver Scob. Man, I'm mispronouncing everything right now. A Cartographer's Survey. And then finally, for this pack, a double-sided legendary creature, Vampire Cleric, Runo Stormkirk. And on the other side is a Crothus, Lord of the Deep. Pretty good if I do say so myself. I like it anyway. Next, gonna open up this pack. Still got those 25. Where's the knife? That's dangerous just to have the knife laying there. You ready? After this, one more pack. Alright. We have an Abrade. We have a Cradle of Safety. Another version of the Unholy Officiant. A Lacerate Flesh. A Rural Recruit. A Persistent Specimen. A Massive Might. A Pyre Spawn. Another Syncopate. Another double-sided card. A Fearful Villager. On the other side, it's a Fearsome Werewolf. Werewolf, right? Yeah. Sorry if the quality is bad, but I'm videotaping my phone. Maybe once I get a little more popular. And wink wink, alright. I might get a better camera. We'll see. Another Art School of Therbin. An Arm of the Cathars. A Radiant Grace, double-sided card. And on the other side, it's a Radiant Restraints. Then we have a Patchwork Crawler. Then Really Cool Mountain. And then the token for this is Blood. And if you want to read it, just a regular artifact. We're going to put this with the other artifacts, correct. Put the, and then we got one of these. This is where I'm keeping all the different. Alright. Last. But definitely not least, because we still have, where is it? Right here. Other stuff. 25 more cards. But those are just random cards I saw on Amazon. I figured I'd share them with y'all as well. Satisfying. Alright. We have, first off, we have an Ancestral Anger. Anger, right? Yes, Ancestral Anger. Next, we have a Scattered Thoughts. Next, a Fierce Retribution. Yeah, I can say that. Next, we have a Reckless Impulse. Oh, shoot, just dropped it. Next, we have a Rot-Tide Gargantuan. Next, we have a Snarling Wolf. Next, we have a Militia Rallier. Next, we have a Syncopate. Another Fearful Villager and Fearsome Werewolf. Edgar's Awakening. A Fleeting Spirit. A Biolume Egg. And then on the other side, a Biolume Serpent. A Glorious Sunrise. For our land for this pack, we have an Island. I like it. And we have a Rural Recruit Foil. We have a Dragon Illusion as our token. Then we got another one of these things. I don't really know what to call those, to be honest with you. Alright, that is our pack. All 6 packs for the again, all those cards with this lovely dice. You can see it has a little symbol right there. The 20. I like it a lot. We also got this poster. I like this box. I like to call it a poster. I don't know. Call it which one. I'm going to put that in here as well. And again, I do plan on selling all of these, so if you want to go down to, actually all over the country can see this. So, never mind, I'm not going to tell you where. If you see me, you see me. We'll clean up a bit. What I call cleaning up. Alright, that's it for the pre-order box. I do like this box a lot. And it came with a nice little sliding package thing. If I can get it back on. Let's see, right there. Take the sticker off. Yeah, we'll leave it on there. Nice little bat on the back. You can see Wizards of the Coast. That's who makes this. Alright, now for the interesting part, the fun. That was really fun, actually. It may not be as fun. It's 25, should be anyway, 25 creatures in general. Okay, first off, legendary creature, Zeta Hedron Grinder. It's a goblin ally. Then we have a Mossfire Valley, a Raging Ravine, a Port Town, a Peace Walker Colossus, An Hour of Glory. A Curator of Mysteries. An Exotic Orchard. Digin Illusion. I'm not even gonna try, you know what? Read the card. A Dance of the Mansi. A legendary artifact, Black Blade Reforged. An instant access denied. A Victory's Envoy, whatever you want to pronounce that as. An Undead Alchemist. Temple of Deceit. I have chapped lips right now. A Loyal Warhound. An Immersturm Predator. That's what we're gonna go with. A legendary creature, Florian Voldarian Sikhon. We have a creature, Falconwrath Forebear. A Faceless Haven. Snowland. Huh. A Callous Blood Mage. I'm saying something, everything's so very... a Briarbridge Tracker. A Bloodveil Prayer. Bloodvial, whatever you want to pronounce that as. A Baleful Mastery. It's an instant. And a legendary creature, Sylvar, Devourer of the Free. A foil. I'm gonna continue going with foil, unless one of y'all corrects me. But that is our little pack I bought on Amazon. As you can see, in my room, I watch anime. Yes, I know. Some of y'all may not like that. Yeah. I'm selling all these, everything. So, you know what to do if you don't want to pay full. I probably sell stuff for like 30 cents a card. Or some people may like $1, right? Probably even less than that. This is my Alexa in my glasses. Or my... Sorry. But yeah. Peace, guys.